Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, Immigration YTTV. We hope you're doing great. In this video, we're going to talk about green card holder detained by ICE after returning from brother's wedding. A South Korean-born green card holder and PhD student was unexpectedly detained by U.S. immigration officials at San Francisco International Airport after returning from his brother's wedding abroad. The video has raised serious concerns about due process and the vulnerability of even lawful permanent residents under current immigration policies. If you are interested in this topic, please pay attention and watch the video through to the end to get all the information. Please hit like and subscribe, and don't forget to push the notification bell for an upcoming video. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Tae-Hung-Will Kim, a 40-year-old legal permanent resident from South Korea, was detained by U.S. immigration officials at San Francisco International Airport on July 21st, after returning from his brother's wedding abroad. A doctoral candidate at Texas A&M University, researching a potential vaccine for Lyme disease, Kim has lived in the U.S. since the age of 5 and holds a valid green card. Despite these facts, federal agents flagged him for additional screening, leading to his unexpected detainment. Unexpected detention sparks constitutional debate. Upon arriving from his 2-week trip to South Korea, Kim was placed in secondary inspection, a process where travelers undergo further questioning. Instead of a routine entry, Kim was taken into custody by Customs and Border Protection, reportedly without being allowed access to a lawyer or the ability to communicate freely with family members. Marijuana charge from 2011 cited as justification. The basis for Kim's detention reportedly lies in a minor marijuana possession charge from 2011 in Texas. According to his legal representative, Kim completed his sentence through community service and later obtained a non-disclosure order, sealing the record from public access. Nevertheless, U.S. immigration law permits green card holders to be detained and face removal proceedings for drug-related offenses, regardless of the charge's age or resolution. Broader context. Immigration policies under scrutiny. Kim's detention comes amid a broader immigration crackdown under President Donald Trump's directive, which encouraged aggressive enforcement. The administration expanded deportation efforts beyond undocumented immigrants, targeting even green card holders and visa holders. Multiple green card holders have been arrested despite holding valid documents. Federal authorities maintain that any immigrant who violates legal terms, even slightly, could be subject to removal. Constitutional rights denied. Attorney Eric Lee voiced grave concern over Kim's legal rights being disregarded. Quote, "If the Constitution doesn't protect someone who's lived here for 35 years and went abroad briefly for a family wedding, who does it protect?" Unquote. The absence of access to legal counsel and family communication has ignited fears of constitutional violations. Legal scholars warn that such practices blur the lines of due process, especially when involving individuals with long-standing legal status. A mother's fear and a family's heartbreak. Kim's mother, Yehoon Sharon Lee, is a naturalized U.S. citizen who arrived in the country during the 1980s with her husband. Although she later secured citizenship, her sons were already too old to obtain derivative status. Both have remained legal permanent residents since childhood. Sharon expressed heartbreak over her son's treatment. Quote, "I came to America believing it was a land of equal rights. This is not the country I thought it was." Unquote. Life-saving research put on hold. Supporters of Kim emphasize his contributions to public health. His PhD research centers on developing a Lyme disease vaccine work that could benefit millions, including American farmers vulnerable to tick-borne illnesses. Quote, "Trump says he loves American farmers. Well, Tae is someone whose research could literally save their lives," unquote, said Lee. The sudden interruption of his academic work due to detention has drawn outrage from medical and academic communities alike. Medical concerns heighten urgency. Adding to the distress, Kim's family fears for his health while in detention. Sharon revealed her son has chronic asthma and may not have sufficient access to medication. Quote, "He always carries an inhaler, but we don't know if it's enough," unquote. "He's already been in there for a week," unquote. Advocates worry that lack of proper medical care could pose serious risks to Kim's well-being. An uncertain road ahead. As of now, Kim remains in federal custody with limited legal clarity about what comes next. His legal team is preparing to fight the removal proceedings, and his case is gaining public attention. For his family, the ordeal has not only disrupted their lives, it has deeply shaken their trust in the American justice system. Kim's situation raises profound questions about who is truly protected under the U.S. Constitution and who is not. That is all for today in this video. What are your thoughts on this? Please let us know in the comments section below. Thanks for watching the entire video. Hopefully the information is useful to you. See you later in the next video. Till then, take care.